Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best strawberry boba is probably one of the most delightful treats you can find, and today, we're diving headfirst into a world of chewy pearls and fruity sweetness. We'll explore what makes these strawberry boba pearls stand out, from their vibrant color to their burst of flavor, and whether they live up to the hype. Get ready to discover if this is the perfect addition to your next bubble tea creation. Number 5. BREXONIC Strawberry Boba Pearls. These strawberry-flavored bursting balls offer the ultimate boba popping experience. The translucent pearls are filled with a delightful fruity liquid that bursts wonderfully in the mouth. It will transform your snacking to a new level of pure goodness. With a shelf life of up to 1 year, this treat will last you quite a while. Store it unopened in a cool, dry place and refrigerate after opening. You can choose from a variety of flavors. Redefine your standards in desserts and drinks. Add these strawberry boba popping pearls to yogurt, waffles, ice cream, and more. It's a satisfying sensation to tickle your taste buds. These tapioca pearls are a perfect way to enjoy a cafe-quality experience at home. Stun your guests and enjoy tasty snacking without much effort. It's perfect for any occasion. Filled with natural fruity goodness and an excellent source of calcium, join the boba trend. These instant boba bubbles will become your newest pantry must-have. It's a favorite in Oriental and Japanese snacks. What we like. This boba offers an authentic taste of Taiwan, delivering a burst of fruity flavor with every bite. The versatility of this product allows you to elevate any dessert or drink. If you're looking for a cafe-quality experience at home, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The strawberry flavor is delicious. They are easy to make. The texture is perfect. Number 4. T-Zone Strawberry Popping Pearls, 7 pounds, B2053. Introducing the T-Zone Strawberry Popping Pearls. These delightful pearls are perfect for adding a burst of flavor to your drinks and desserts. They are a fantastic addition to any beverage. Each pearl is filled with flavorful juices. When you bite into them, they burst with a delicious strawberry taste. It's a fun and tasty experience. These popping pearls are great for boba tea, smoothies, and other beverages. They add a unique texture and flavor that everyone will enjoy. Try it in your favorite drink. While this is the strawberry flavor, there are many more to choose from. You can explore a variety of tastes to enhance your creations. Find the perfect flavor for you. Not only are they great for drinks, but they also make a wonderful topping for ice cream. They add a burst of fruity flavor and a fun texture. It's a simple way to elevate your dessert. What we like. These pearls are filled with flavorful juice, perfect for enhancing your favorite beverages. With a variety of flavors, you can customize your drinks to your liking. If you enjoy experimenting with different flavors and textures in your drinks, you should consider this. What people say. The strawberry flavor is delicious. They are easy to make. The texture is perfect. Number 3. Fusion Select Strawberry Boba Bursting Pearls. These popping pearls are bursting with real fruit juice, unlike traditional tapioca. They explode in your mouth, offering a juicy and fruity sensation. Add these to your favorite cold drinks for an extra burst of flavor. Each pack is filled with real fruit juice, enhancing your beverage experience. Give your desserts a fruity twist and a satisfying texture. These bursting boba are perfect for yogurt, ice cream, and cold drinks. You can choose the flavor you like. Each pack is designed to provide you with a unique and enjoyable experience. Create your own drinks at home. Add these pearls to milk, iced coffee, or smoothies. It's a fun way to customize your beverages. What we like. These popping pearls are made with real fruit juice, offering a burst of natural flavor. They're perfect for elevating your desserts, adding a fun and fruity touch. If you like to create your own drinks and customize them, this product is ideal for you. What people say. The strawberry flavor is delicious. They are easy to make. The texture is perfect. Number 2. Mayde Popping Boba Pearls Variety Pack. These popping boba balls are bursting with fruity deliciousness. They come in strawberry, mango, and passion fruit flavors. It's a fun and tasty addition to any drink. This kit lets you make bubble tea at home, just like they did in the 80s. The strawberry, mango, and passion fruit boba pearls add both flavor and a fun texture to your drinks. Get creative with these popping pearls. They're not just for drinks. You can also add them to ice cream, shaved ice, or breakfast bowls. It's a simple way to make your desserts more exciting. These boba popping bubbles are soft and juicy, not tough or chewy. The fruit pearls are soft on the outside and bursting with juice on the inside. You'll love the texture. Celebrate any event with these boba pearls. They're perfect for birthdays, BBQs, and more. Try other flavors and variety packs for even more fun. What we like. This variety pack offers a range of flavors, perfect for any occasion. These pearls are great as dessert toppings, adding a burst of fruity goodness. If you're planning a party or want to add some fun to your desserts, you should definitely try this. What people say. Bought for my kids, they loved them. Tasted great. These popping boba pearls are a hit in our house. The flavors, especially strawberry and mango, are super tasty and just like what you'd get in a bubble tea shop. They have a delicious burst of flavor with every bite and add a fun twist to drinks, yogurt, and desserts. Number 1. Fusion Select Bubble Tea Kit Set. This kit has everything you need. Each box includes 5 packs of powder mix, boba, and straws. It's a complete set for your bubble tea cravings. Get your milk tea fix in under a minute. This instant boba milk tea is ready to drink in just 45 seconds. You don't need to go out to enjoy it anymore. It's super easy to make. Just pour 1 pack into a cup with hot water until it dissolves. Then, add a boba packet and microwave for up to 45 seconds. You can enjoy it hot or iced, or even blend it into fraps and smoothies. Feel free to add extra ingredients like whipped cream or cookies to customize it. Know someone who loves milk tea? They'll love this instant milk tea mix. They can conveniently make their favorite drinks at home with it. What we like. This kit provides a complete mix, making it easy to enjoy boba milk tea at home. It's ready in seconds, perfect for those with a busy lifestyle. If you're looking for a quick and convenient way to enjoy your favorite milk tea, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Loved the variety of flavor and easiness to prepare the drinks. Delicious and addictive. Made a great care package for my college kid since everything was included in the box. Very good and delicious. I got the brown sugar flavor and I tasted just like how it is in the store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.